Welcome to the Observic tutorial on starting a review. In this simple video, we will talk about the 3 different ways to start a review in Observic, which are request a review, review someone else, or review your own performance. Starting with request a review. The option of request a review is used when you are asking others in your business infrastructure to review your own performance. Your role here is that you are the reviewee and your performance is being analysed. You will already have a video or audio file recorded of your performance and you are actively asking for feedback on how you performed. So to begin, from the dashboard, we click the blue button in the header Start Review, and then we'll be clicking on Request a Review, the first option, where you'll be directed to this screen. Here you enter a title, a description of the review, and you will choose a date for the review, past or present. You then need to select the media file to be reviewed from the drop-down menu, and also select the form to be used for your review. Please see the video tutorials on creating forms and uploading media for further help on this. Once you then submit this, they will receive an email notification prompting them to review you with the form you have selected. Next, review someone else. This option is used when you wish to review another person's performance. You are in essence acting as the reviewer and nothing else. As you can see, when we start another review from the dashboard and click the option of review someone else, we come to a very similar form as before, where again we will fill out a title, description and a date. You then choose the media from your Observic account just as before, which will have already been uploaded. You then need to select from the list the person that is being reviewed in the clip. However, if the person is not in the list, then you need to add them to your Observic system first. Please see the video tutorial for adding a user for help on this. And so finally, review your own performance. Reviewing your own performance means that you have recorded yourself completing your task and are now also completing a review of your performance in the appropriate form. This means you have complete control over the results and data which will be added to the Observic account. This option can be thought of as a hybrid of the 2 previously mentioned types of review. You are the reviewee and the reviewer. The fields are the same as before. Complete a title, description and date in order to organise your review within the Observic account, and then select the media to be used, plus the form on which you will review your own performance, and then click Submit to go to the form to begin your review. Simple. This concludes our tutorial for starting a review in Observic. Thank you very much for watching.